Alert! Alert! We have a code snack emergency! An entire box of animal crackers has vanished right before snack time, and hungry toddlers everywhere need our help. Agent Sniff the puppy uses his super nose power. Sniff, sniff. The trail leads this way. Captain Hop the bunny bounces high to search from above. Whiskers the kitten activates her night vision to peek in dark corners. But wait, they discover a lonely stuffed elephant hiding with all the crackers. I just wanted friends to share snacks with, he says sadly. Everyone deserves snack friends, cheers the team. They invite Elephant to the ultimate friendship feast where everyone shares together. Mission complete.